Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the Petal Place property located in the countryside of northeastern Ontario, Canada. Hey guys, welcome to the tomato patch. I must admit that I think I've planted one too many tomato plants. Yeah, I didn't realize it was gonna get so bushy. It's like a forest. Can you see me? Let's play hide and seek. Over here is worse. Check this out. Can you see me? And over the other aisle is even worse. But what we're here today to do is give an update, right? Hey, I need to use my wood chipper, wood chipper, wood chipper. I told myself that it's too thick to go through and prune, but I think what I'm gonna do is I need to do some new trellising because they have grown since the last time I did it. And so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and prune some of the lower branches, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and redo the pruning. Then I'm gonna go ahead and update the wires, the core, the trellising that I have done. And yeah, the soil that we bought, I guess you can't get soil without weeds, right? So I have weeds popping up here. So I'm just gonna use either my cultivator or my hoe to dig the weeds out. But these tomato vines have lots of tomatoes on them. Okay, there. Basically, it's easier to do the weeds. So I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and do the weeds first. Now, the hoe or the cultivator, well, maybe more so the cultivator might get some of the roots out, but the hoe doesn't really get the roots out. But the idea is that if the tops are gone, then the roots will fail because they have nothing to send energy to them to continue surviving, right? So yeah, I'm just reading right now. Okay. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and do the trellising, and then I will do there's just one fly that's just bugging me. And then I'll go ahead and do the pruning. Oh, man. It's a zoo in here. But I think this will help though. Okay, let's get back to it. I am seeing so much squash in here, which is a happy sight. Very happy sight. Can you believe that this thing here is a branch, and it's not even a secondary branch? See, it came off the main stem right here. Right here. It is a branch. Oh my goodness, it's big. That's how big these branches are, like they're trees. I don't know, man. The only fertilizer I gave these was an organic plant food at the very beginning. Haven't given them anything else, but there must be something in the soil over here. They are doing good. Not complaining. I am liking it. Okay, I'm not going to be doing any talking right now. I'm just going to go ahead and stake and trellis and tie up and Florida weave these tomatoes, because my hubby has been trying to fix that lawnmower for the longest while, and he just got it fixed, and so they are choosing to mow the lawn right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get these tomatoes done. I have about 3 or 4 different systems in this tomato patch, trying to keep them in order. ones were supposed to be Florida wheat. I can't do any Florida weeds inside there right now. Ow! I'm just doing my best right now. I guess pruning will help me to get rid of some of the volume, and so I'll manage them better, plus they'll have more energy to go towards producing fruit. I don't know what plant these are. They're all over the place. I finally bought some bamboo stakes in the dollar store.
Looking too shabby. I think I'm making progress.
I think it's about time to drink some water. Woo. Thank you guys so much for being here. It means a lot to me. Thanks for your company. Thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting. Okay. Cool. Dude. These are deer flies. Okay. I don't think this is gonna do another row. So I'm gonna have to get the cord. I will be right back, my friends. Stick with me now, don't leave me.
I need to use my wood chipper, wood chipper, wood chipper. Check that out. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna get this whole area mulch. Hopefully. Yeah, I feel good. It has started.
Moa, thanks so much for spending some time with me in the garden today. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please consider subscribing and coming along with me on this journey on which I am endeavoring, working hard, putting in some elbow grease to create a country cottage garden retreat. See you again soon.